prettiest just beach waves, and it's so easy breezy, and you're gonna love it. It's called Matrix Oil Wonders Volume Rose. And I'm telling you, I have to show you. And it's a mousse that gives you volume, but it also holds really well without making your hair look too oily or sticky. It's very soft and it pumps it up. Let me show you. So it comes out. Oh, I didn't even tell you the best part. Smells like roses. It's called Volume Rose. It actually really smells like roses. It smells so good. Smell. And then I flip. And I just kind of go under the roots. I don't tend to do a lot on the roots because I want a little volume up there, but the waves are more down here. So I do that. Take a brush. Kind of brush it. Give it a quick braid. Like this. Make sure it's really tight. And when you're putting in the braid, like really pull it, but don't rip your hair out. So you're going to, and then just, okay. Breathe in there, nice and tight, with, and smells so good. I love, if you haven't noticed through all my other videos, I'm obsessed with smells. I'll leave this in for about 45 minutes. So you can actually sleep in this as well, and it's even better when you sleep in it because the waves really stick. But I'm gonna leave this in for, just for the video's sake, and for about 45 minutes, then I come back, take this out, scrunch it, and it's so pretty. Summertime, summertime. This is only after, I left it in a little bit longer than 45, it was 60 minutes. Okay, then I just, tiny little bit more, tiny, just so it holds and I smell extra rosy. And it makes me look like I have so much hair. Okay, do a little shaky, a little shaky. Oh guys, look. After 60 minutes. I tend to be a little, my bangs are a little shorter, so I should have put a little in my bangs too, but I can just tuck that back. That. And voila. It's, and like I said, if you do this at night and sleep in it, you're just gonna, thank you, Lisa, all day long. See you guys next time. Peace.